I swear, I'm tired. Tired of acting like everything is okay. Every day be strong, be calm, be patient. But nobody even asks if I'm okay. I carried everything on my head like a calasella on the traffic. But if I complain small, I'm the problem. I don't be so. I be human being. I be human being. We get feelings. I be human being. My feelings they haunt me. Every time way they try to hide them inside, they haunt me.